Today we're going to Barca Cantina because it's my best friend's birthday, Stephanie. So I'm super excited. Just got here. The walk was ridiculous. It's super hot here in New York City. Sexy. So I'm on the boat. It's very nauseating. I will say, bring your Dramamine. No one in my crew has it, but you definitely feel it if you're on the first floor. I would recommend Dramamine, and if you're very nauseous, I wouldn't recommend this boat crew because me and my friend Kim, we are. We're at the top of the boat. The views are immaculate. It's actually, and I'm not talking about them. Got Rosé, and we're about to see the Statue of Liberty. So we're spinning around. This boat is so nice. Like, I absolutely love it. It feels so much better here upstairs than it did downstairs. Like, it's less nauseating. So definitely recommend going to the top floor if you get nauseous. But we're coming around to see the Statue of Liberty. It's Kim's first time here.
Yes, I've never seen it before. It's so cool.
She's unamused. She's like, I was here when I was a kid.
The one from Jersey.
Look at them trying to be cool, all Slav.
And I'm back on land. That was literally torture. I'm so happy I'm back on land. I don't think I could ever do a boat again. I think this is it.
I'll say like you should fight cross. Oh my god! I'm doing hella candid. Yes. Wow.
Oh, you want me to do a video?
I'll be his partner.
Like, hello.